Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one.
So in this position, it's black to move and mate in 1. Let's take a look at the white king. How many of these highlighted squares are safe for the white king? The bishop covers 2 squares, and the queen covers the other square. Can we find another piece to give checkmate? The rooks are blocked, and the knight and pawns are all too far away, so we'll have to move the bishop or queen after all. The bishop can't give check, so we'll have to give checkmate with the queen. The queen was stopping the white king moving to f2. Can you spot where we should move the queen? The queen gives check and still stops the white king moving to f2. This one is mate in 2 for white. Let's take a look at the black king. Don't forget to look at the squares occupied by white pieces. Are any of these squares safe? The pawn defends the knight, so the black king can't take it, and the knight stops the black king moving to f7 or e8, which leaves f8 as the only safe square. If we could move the knight here, it would attack the black king and stop it escaping to f8. The problem is this black pawn. Can we find a way to get rid of it? What do you think about this idea? Taking the pawn with the queen. Can you work out what might happen next? Black has 2 choices. Take the queen or move the king to the escape square. We know what happens if black takes the queen. Let's go back and look at the other choice. In fact, white has a few options here. This would be checkmate. This would be checkmate. And this is checkmate too. Okay, let's take a look at this hard puzzle. White to play and mate in 3. Here are the squares the black king might like to escape to. The white queen covers the h-file, leaving f8 as the only safe square. But did you notice that the white bishop stops the black king escaping any further? Well done if you spotted that. So how are we going to give checkmate? Attacking with the queen looks like a good first move. The white queen would like to go 1 square further, but the black knight is stopping this plan. Is there any way we can sort this problem out? Can we make use of this open file? Well done if you spotted that we can pin the knight. Now the knight isn't defending h8 anymore, and black has no other way of stopping white's checkmate move. No way of defending h8, and no way of unpinning the knight.